This is Ernest with Topaz again. Just wanted to let you guys know working out in the warehouse today and working on some old delicate Roman shades. For you guys who don't know what they are, they're kind of like a blind made out of fabric that you can pull up for your cover on your windows. This is a dry cleaning process. I just want to show you a little bit about how some of this works. So if you bear with me, let me get this camera turned around. And this one over here, we've already got it cleaned up. You see in this area here, that is your sun damage. Those streaks cannot be come out. They've just been in the window for so long that it has yellowed the fabric. And overall, luckily, the fabric is kind of has an antique white to it. But we spray these things down with a dry cleaning solution, which is a solvent base, and then we literally extract the soil out of them. And this one here, you can see I haven't even sprayed it down yet. So I'll back up here. There's a bit of a difference in the color of one that's been wet with the solvent, and this one here I haven't started on yet. But if you have these Roman sage in your home, most likely they have been there for a while. Some of the newer ones are a lot easier to take care of, but we can take care of all of them. Just give us a call if you're looking for any type of drapery cleaning, delicate fabric, costume cleaning, any of the specialty type of stuff. We can take care of all those things for you. Once again, this is Ernest with Topaz Cleaning and Restoration, doing some Roman shade drapery cleaning today here in our office. Have any questions, just give us a call, 210-653-9699. Thank you.